Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to slow and reverb songs. First, choose your audio editing software. Audacity is a fantastic free, open-source option, perfect for beginners, and it's available across different operating systems. If you need more advanced control and are working professionally, consider industry-standard tools like Adobe Audition. There are also online tools and mobile apps available for quick edits. Once your software is ready, import the audio file you wish to modify. Most programs support common formats like MP3 or WAV. Next, find the speed or tempo adjustment option. In Audacity, you can use the change speed effect. Experiment by reducing the speed, perhaps by 15 to 20%, to achieve that signature slowed sound. Remember, you can always fine-tune this later. Now, let's add the reverb. Navigate to the Effects menu in your software and select the Reverb option. You'll typically find settings like room size, decay, and wet versus dry gain. To get that classic reverb sound, try increasing the wet gain and slightly decreasing the dry gain. A good starting point might be a dry gain of -1 decibel and a wet gain of 5 decibels. Adjust the room size to your preference. After applying both effects, it's crucial to preview your track. Listen carefully and make any necessary adjustments to the speed and reverb settings. Don't be afraid to experiment with different values until you achieve the perfect dreamy, atmospheric sound. Once you're satisfied, export your final audio file. Common formats like WAV or MP3 are widely supported, ensuring your creation can be enjoyed anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.